As the saying goes, pets leave paw prints in your hearts. We are at such a facility in Bahrain which believes pets are family. We are at the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic in Sanad, which promises quality and dedicated care for your fur companion. The clinic, as I said, is located in the heart of Sanad, and it's very easy to find. It's a stone's throw away from two private hospitals, the Al Salam Hospital and the Aster Clinic, and bang opposite the New Indian School. And as you can see, it's a residential commercial mix area with ample car parking space. Join us as we take you through the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic, the behind the scenes with their state-of-the-art equipment, compassionate staff, and the grooming facility, the pet store, etc. So as you see, the shop opens into two. The first is an entrance into their reception and lounge leading to the veterinary clinic, and the second is into their pet store and the grooming facility. So this is the cozy little lounge of the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic, a very welcoming atmosphere. The facility where you can wait with your pets either to see the veterinary doctor or for your appointment for a grooming. And there is a small little reception area, and of course some of the products that they have on sale is also on display. Now we move in to see the facility. So as we enter the clinic, on the left we have a consultation room. This is where the doctors meet the pets first time. They look into the concerns raised by a pet parent. So this is a second treatment room which is usually used for smaller pets, smaller cats and smaller dogs. This is the ground floor of the clinic, and upstairs there is one operation theatre. Then there is an inpatient space where the animals are kept after the operation. Then also a recovery room and the laboratory. So we have with us Dr. Nimisha Narayanan, the owner and the chief doctor, a veterinary surgeon with us to tell us more about the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic. Dr. Nimisha, congratulations. Blue Cross is completing 4 years in April, isn't it? Tell us, how has the journey been? You set up the clinic.
Yeah.
Right. What was the inspiration? I know you're a veterinary doctor, so obviously you had to do that.
And as an owner, we have the freedom to do like the way we want,
Right.
And the flexibility.
Okay. So what are the facilities in Blue Cross? How many staff do you have? What are the options available? What is it that you serve with?
Right now we have 8 staff, then 2 doctors, 2 assistants, reception handling, 2 persons, and also grooming. The services we provide is consultation, of course, then vaccination, then soft tissue surgery, then hospitalization. Then apart from that, we have a grooming facility, then a pet shop which contains a wide range of pet food and accessories and supplements.
Right. Okay. Where are you from, doctor?
I'm basically from Kerala.
Kerala. I think Thrissur, right?
Yes.
I remember you telling me. So you're here with family.
Yes, of course.
So did you take to this profession out of passion?
I cannot say exactly, actually from like in India, there is an entrance examination.
Okay.
Based on the rank, we are allocating to different.
So that's how you took to veterinary.
Yes.
And over all these years, I'm sure so many years being with pets and animals, how has your attitude changed towards?
I think I became more patient.
Patient. Okay. Yeah, unlike human, right? You have to. Okay. What about pet parents? How do you find them, especially in Bahrain?
They are understanding. I mean,
do you find them demanding?
Sometimes, of course.
Which is always a good sign, right? That means they take care of their pets, right? Okay.
They consider them as a family members.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Right. Okay. Let's get to see a little more of the facility. You could take us through?
Yes, of course.
So this place really reminds me of an operation theatre of any hospital. Yes, it is a surgery room at the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic. You can see the surgery procedure, equipment ready, and all the other facilities. We have with us the veterinary surgeon at the Blue Cross, Dr. Anish Rafi. Right. Dr. Anish, what kind of facilities do you have in this
This is our operation theatre. Here we use inhaled anesthetic only. First we prepare the animal in our preparation room and then we give sedation and we transfer the animal here and we give anesthesia here.
Okay.
And this is our inhaled anesthetic machine. We mainly using isoflurane as inhaled anesthetic.
Okay.
It is one of the safest inhaled anesthetics available. So this is our anesthesia machine and we provide oxygen. It's our oxygen concentrator. Okay, and after anesthetizing, we place the animal here and we do surgery here. And this is our patient monitor. We can see the heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure. We can monitor everything in this monitor. And here we have a laser surgery facility, so equipment. And if there is some surgery which is causing more bleeding,
then you go for a laser.
We can go for a laser surgery. And here we have also dental scaling facility to clean dental tartars in old dogs. Okay, these are our main facilities.
This is the bed, right?
Yeah.
So
it's adjustable. We can adjust the height.
Even very big dogs fit into this?
Yeah, we can. We can do.
Which are more
and we have a pet brooder also.
What is it?
Because during anesthesia, anytime there is a drop in temperature, body temperature can happen. We can use in emergency situations to provide oxygen and to maintain body temperature. We can use it. It is also called pet ICU. We can use for birds.
Oh, pet ICU. Okay, nice. What do you see more on the table, like cats or dogs?
Cats. Here main pets are cats.
Cats, really?
Dogs also there, mainly Shih Tzus, but mostly cats.
Cats, okay.
It's mainly Alps loves cats more.
Okay. And what is a common procedure that you do?
Main procedure routine surgeries like spaying, neutering for cats. Okay.
All right.
It's removing uterus to control the population, mainly the strays and household cats also. Because after 6 months, when they become adult, they start screaming a lot. And that time most clients prefer to do, and it is always better because cats are induced ovulators. Every month, when seeing a male cat, they come to heat cycle and they start like screaming like 5 days, 6 days, continuously scream without any reason. So it's a mandatory surgery for female cats especially.
Right. Okay.
Mainly spaying, castration, and occasionally some tumor removal and cesarean sections are there. Dystocia cases will come for dogs and cats. And hematoma surgery, pooling of blood on ear, especially in dogs. Hematoma surgeries are there, and those are the main surgeries.
Well, the explanation from Dr. Anis Rafi tells us how much care they put into every animal that comes on this desk, especially the pet brooder, the pet ICU, which is really impressive, which shows the care that is being given to the animal that comes into this room. This is the inpatient facility at the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic. At a given time, they can accommodate around 10 to 12 animals, right, doctor?
Yes, cats.
Yeah. So what is the purpose of the inpatient facility? Can you just tell us?
The treatment purpose only, mainly. And sometimes after the surgery, if the owners cannot take care of their pets, they want to live here for the medical care.
And most of the right now I see cats, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats.
Yeah.
They're all pet cats or stray cats. You mentioned about
as well as stray cats.
Okay. So do you do anything special for stray cats?
Yes, of course. The prices are always discounted.
Okay.
And for spaying, just half. Spaying both the neutering, it's just half the price of the normal rate. And also we provide 3 days hospitalization without any charge.
All right. So that is a good payback to the community that is taking care of the pets out there, the stray pets out there. So the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic offers discounted rates on spaying and neutering of stray animals, as well as they offer free of charge care post surgery, isn't it? Yeah. The clinic has an inbuilt laboratory facility.
These machines you see are the blood analyzer. This is the CBC analyzer where we get all the blood counts. And this one is biochemistry analyzer where we can analyze the liver function, kidney function, electrolytes,
glucose level. As I mentioned earlier, so this is the second door of the Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic, which opens into the pet store, which is, as a pet parent, one of my favorite places in every pet care clinic, because they have a lot of accessories besides the food and the perfumes and all that. So let's take a look. So the pet store has a range of amenities for your fur friends, including shampoo, the play spray, and conditioners, coat repair, you name it. And of course, the pet food, the treats for pets. So that is a pet store, and now we go to the grooming area. So this is a grooming area where your pet babies are taken care of to their fullest, like as in cutting or washing, blow drying, their nails, their teeth, their ears, everything that your fur babies need. That's being done here. So currently we have a pet baby here. I don't know what his or her, it is a his, she or he. So he's a baby boy here, all set for his grooming. So apparently he is supposed to get a full shave done, right? So what is your name? Kailas. How long have you been here?
It's almost 4 months.
4 months. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
So how do you find it? What kind of pets come the most?
Most Shih Tzus and most often more than cats.
Cats.
Yeah.
Okay, they come for basic grooming, right?
Basic grooming and full grooming.
Full grooming.
Yeah.
What is the difference between basic and full grooming?
The basic package only includes nail cutting, hair cleaning, and bathing.
Washing and drying.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the full grooming package also includes the hair cutting. It comes with the hair cutting.
Hair cutting. Okay. Right. So this little baby boy is going to get a haircut, right? Good boy. So this is Jackie. I found his name. So Jackie is all well groomed. He's cleanly shaven. Jackie, how are you? Did you like it? So that is Jackie. Dr. Nimisha, Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic has made a name of its own in Bahrain.
Yes.
And one of the main aspects of concerns of pet parents is hygiene, isn't it?
Yes.
And as you rightly mentioned, it is pets are more family now.
Yeah.
And me being a pet parent myself, I can relate to it because they are part and parcel of home, and we keep them very clean.
Yes.
And we expect that from the groomers or the facilitators as well. How do you comment on the priority of hygiene, cleanliness at Blue Cross?
And we make sure that all the places are clean always. And after each patient, we make sure that we sanitize the whole area, not just the table, floor, and we change the towels, we change the gloves. So make sure that there is nothing contagious to like other patients.
Mm-hmm. And
Grooming also, we make sure that after each grooming, the places are clean, the equipments are clean, and sanitize them.
Right. And another question that I would want to ask you is, there are studies showing that post-COVID, the number of pet parents have risen tremendously, because during COVID, people took to pets and plants at home, you know. And of course, that has resulted in the number of pet care facilities.
Yes.
And in a milieu like Bahrain's, where it is very economic friendly, business friendly, there are a number of facilities, you name it, across the width and breadth of Bahrain. How do you place Blue Cross? What is the extra edge that Blue Cross has to offer?
The main thing is we are aiming is like providing quality care with the affordable price. As you know, we introduce a vaccination package as the first part, which includes consultation, vaccination, deworming with the pet passport, just 8 BD.
Okay.
Before that, you need to pay for each service separately. So maybe which will become around like 15-20 BD.
Okay.
Instead of that 8 BD. That's a great relief for the pet parents.
Right. Okay.
And if you follow this vaccination schedules properly, at least we can avoid many of the contagious diseases.
Definitely. Okay.
And that way we can cut down the cost. Instead of treating them, just make sure you do the vaccination properly.
Okay. All right. And what about the grooming charges?
Grooming, we have different packages. Like basic grooming, which start from 5 BD. And depending upon the requirements of the clients, there are luxury packages.
What kind of clients do you see? More of pets or strays?
Pets.
Pets. Cats or dogs?
We cannot say that.
Both.
But yeah, maybe little bit more
Cats. Okay.
because Bahraini people, they allow to.
They love cats, yeah.
Cats.
Okay, yeah. And also, when we think of pets, the first thing that comes to our mind is dogs and cats, right? But we know pet is not limited to that. What kind of other pets do you see at the clinic?
We are seeing rabbits, birds.
Okay. Yeah, but no exotic pets, right?
No.
Rabbits and birds also, they come for grooming or?
Grooming, it's not that frequently
treatment, basically.
Mainly for the treatment.
Treatment, right.
For birds, of course, they come for the nail trimming, then beak trimming.
Oh, okay.
Feather, cutting.
Okay. Doctor, one thing that is gaining popularity is mobile grooming, or the vans that go to your home and do help with your pet care needs. Is Blue Cross planning on anything like that?
Actually, we are planning a mobile clinic.
Clinic as such,
Yes,
with doctor services.
Yeah, so that they don't have to come to the clinic. We can go to the home and do the treatment. And if needed, we can pick them and.
Okay, that I think will have more benefits, right? If it is an ailing pet, you don't have to transfer them all the way to the clinic.
Sometimes they don't have the time to visit the clinic. Right now, we have a pick and drop service.
Facility?
Yes.
Okay. That is for any kind, for treatment or grooming?
Both.
For both?
Yeah.
So all you need is to call you?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a number? Which the same Blue Cross number?
Yes.
Okay, right.
Yesterday, we all picked up some 7 cats for grooming.
Okay. The Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic has a very active Instagram account.
Yes.
Right? With all their announcements out there on all what the doctors said about the 8BD package, the pick and drop facilities, the grooming charges, and they also give you a wonderful display of your well-groomed pet. Who would not like to see those beautiful faces on social media? So check it out. It is Blue Cross Veterinary Clinic in Sanad. In the caring hands of a veterinary clinic, our pets find healing, comfort, and love. Yes, for all that unconditional love that these fur babies shower upon us, they definitely need to be taken care of, not just their bodies, but also their spirits. So here is a dedication to all the souls that mend their hearts and heal their bodies, one paw at a time.